Hello, grade 12s. Welcome to your physics classroom. I'm Mr. Smith, and today we're diving into Newton's laws and their applications. In this lesson, we'll focus on one of the building blocks of physics, forces. Let's get started. First, let's break down the different kinds of forces you'll need to understand. Weight, also called gravitational force. This is the force that the Earth pulls on you with. Normal force. This is the upward force a surface applies to support an object. Frictional force. These fights motion. It always acts parallel to the surface. Applied force. That's a fancy way of saying a push or pull that comes from something like a person or a machine. And finally, tension. This is the force in a string or cable when it's pulled tight. The normal force, labeled N, is always perpendicular to the surface. Think of it as the ground holding you up. The frictional force, labeled F, resists motion or the tendency to move. It acts parallel to the surface. There are two types of friction you need to understand. Static friction. This one keeps a stationary object in place. It resists the start of motion. Kinetic friction. This one kicks in once the object is already moving. Here are some key things to know about friction. It increases with the normal force. It doesn't depend on how much surface is touching, and it doesn't care how fast you're moving. Now for the formulas. This is where you apply what you know. The maximum static friction is formless max equals mu s times n. Kinetic friction is formless max equals mu k times n. If your applied force is less than static friction, the object won't move. If it's greater, the object accelerates. So make sure you know your forces: weight, normal, friction, applied, and tension. Understand the difference between static and kinetic friction. And most importantly, remember those equations. They're key for solving problems. In our next video, we'll look at Newton's laws in action. Thank you.